Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing tonight? I hope you're doing well. I'm here, this video is for tomorrow, but I'm here on Sunday night doing some finishing up crafting and things for the day. I've had a great weekend, so I hope you have too. I've just got a lot of organizing done and cleaning up of my craft room and my areas where I keep my, things for my shop and stuff. So all good there, but I was getting my next design team project ready for Shabby Dabby Doodah, so I'm getting things organized here. I cut out the kit today, and this is a Shabby Dabby Doodah Tina. It's her brown bunny kit, so this is it cut up. I'll just show you. It's so cute. You know, when I saw Bunny, I had to do it, right? I had to get her brown bunny kit. I haven't seen it before, so I don't know if it's new or if I just didn't notice it, but I was like, bunnies, what is this? What do I see here? Bunnies? So yes, I got her kit and I cut it out. So these are the book pages, but I did a little something wrong when I printed them. It can be very frustrating sometimes getting the pages to print right. So I kind of took a little, it kind of maybe is all for good because I kind of rethought the way I wanted to do this journal because I didn't want to print the pages again. So I'm just going to show you, if you print them right, they're bigger. But I had already shrunk them a little bit. I think I printed them at 80%, something like that, because I wanted it a little smaller than the regular, full size. But anyway, this is a very beautiful, that's like a collage page there. And there's a lot of collaging in this kit. That's a that's a printed coffee dye page. I'll just flip through these real quick so you can see how pretty they are. And we're going to get to the bunnies. Like there's a bunny right there. I hear a noise outside. I don't know what it is. It might be a dog howling or something. I live in the country. It's pretty quiet out here, but once in a while you hear things you hear in the country. Maybe a dog barking and other things, country sounds. Anyway, very pretty, right? Look at this page. I love this right here, so pretty. So here's all the bits of ephemera. So some of my favorite things are these, like, they look like letters or stationery. I printed the whole thing on paper, once on paper and once on manila folder. So I have, like, this is manila folder right here, so it's nice and sturdy. And this is paper. And this is the paper. I found this recently at a thrift store that I picked up, and it's kind of a dark colored, almost like coffee colored, isn't it? Doesn't it look like it's coffee dyed? But it's not. That was the color of the paper, and it was like thick kind of resume paper. So it's exactly what the type of paper I like to print my kits on. Let me show you the bigger pieces here first, and then we'll show you the small bits and pieces. Like these look like little like invoices and things like that. There's some bingo cards. I did print these at different sizes. Like I said, this is on paper. This is the paper version. This is like looks like a playing card, but it's decorated with the clocks, a heart, and a butterfly. It's a cute ace of hearts. Very pretty. Let's see, what else do I have here? This is a cardstock, one of the invoices. Let's see, did we get all the bigger bits out? There's another, oh, this is a page. There's a bunny right there. See the post, there's some postal, like postmarks and things like that. Super pretty if you're looking for a little bunny, kind of spring Eastery type, digital kit. That, the receipts. So here's all the bingo cards. Here's some bingo cards. Let's see, that's on there. I almost thought it was a piece. There's a piece that I cut out like that too. These are already on there though. I didn't put those on there. It's decorated like that. When you cut it out, it's kind of like ready to go. Invoice. So yeah. Here's a piece. These pieces were next to each other, so I thought, well, wouldn't that be the perfect little journaling spot? Just to fold that in half and have a nice little, kind of almost like a card. What else? So all these are like little journaling cards here. I guess it's the next size of item. See that there's a little bunny there. There's a little bunny there. What else? Lots of, like I said, I printed out twice, so I have lots of each type of thing that was in the kit. There's some little, like these look like frames right here, but this one was together too. See, I just folded that in half. There's a little bunny on the back there and made like a little, that'll be a journaling spot in there with It looks kind of like a card or folding journaling card. There's a little card there. That's on file folder. So let's see. So let me show you some of the little bits and pieces. So there's the little bits and pieces. There's a lot of them. But of course, you're going to have some. Let me get hold of. See, there's different sizes in here of things. See, here's a couple of bunnies. Lots of those. And then there's, let's see, there's lots of, see, here's some more, but I'm going to hold them like this in my hand as I pull them out of my basket here. Just to give you an idea of what is in here. Bunnies, little butterflies. There's all different size butterflies. I printed them out, I guess, at different sizes too, the ephemera. So, yeah, I was kind of trying to figure out what size I wanted to make this journal. I printed out some at 75, I think, too. 75%, 80%. I might have printed a couple pages at even 50%. Maybe that's what those are. But see all the little bunnies I've got. I've got so many bunnies and butterflies. And then there's these little film strips in there. Those are cute. And they've got, like, see the little butterflies on there? They look so real, too. Like, they almost look like a negative type of thing. This is more of a negative than a film strip, but yeah, really cute. Those are cute. So let me see. Did I show you everything here? Here's a clock. I have a clock with a bunny on it. Let's see. I think that's kind of, you got the idea. Oh, here's a little window. There's several of these in different sizes. This, I'll see if I can find a bigger one, but that's a little tiny one. Let me see if I can find a bigger one so you can see it better. Let's see. I know I have one in here. Whether I can find it or not, that is a different story. This is how I keep everything organized. And, you know, from going all over the place, I just throw it all in this basket when I'm organizing my project. And I don't see another window right now. But there are bigger sizes somewhere. So anyway, you get the picture. That's the kit. So that's all in there. And then I had been over the last month or two, probably more like 2 or so, whenever I brought a bunny book home, I was putting it over a little pile over here in my craft room. And so these are the 4 I have over there. So when I was rethinking this, when my pages didn't print out, I thought, well, I have these bunny books and I did want to make a bunny journal. So let me see what I have over there. And so these are the 3. Let me show you the covers at least. I won't see. Here's this one. They're all really cute. This is very vintage here. And then this one, the tail of Peter Rabbit. Isn't that cute? This was the library book. Oh, there's a library pocket I can take out of there. Yeah, so that one. This is, I guess, a little golden book. Little cottontail. Isn't that the cutest bunny? Eating some clover. Yeah, okay, yeah. I just brought this home last week. That's right. I commented on how it looked like they had a happy ending there with the mama and the baby. Baby bunny. And then I have the Velveteen Rabbit, which I'm so happy I found because I found this exact book last year and made a journal out of it. And when I saw this, I was like, well, you know, I made one last year and it turned out really cute. And this is kind of a brown bunny, like the brown bunny kit, right? So I thought, well, I would start with this. See, here's the pages in here. Let me get down to the, see how they're kind of like, it's not bright, it's colors, but not like, you know, it's kind of like the Velveteen Rabbit is a brown bunny. So I thought I might start with this. This is, I did use the cover last year. I don't know if I used the cover on the cover, but I thought I would start with this. And I want to go ahead and take it apart so that we can see what we want to do here. I'm going to pull the cover off first. And I want to cut this out right here. And I can cut out this, the words to the Velveteen Rabbit, like separately. I want to cut these 2 pieces out separately. So I want to go ahead with you right now because I'm trying to make a decision. So maybe you can help me and you can comment what you think, if I have a question as to what I should do. So this is what we're doing. This is cardstock, you know, like a paperback book, but it's heavy, kind of heavy cardstock. It's in good shape, the cover here. So, you know, I feel like I could use this on the front of a journal. And that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do unless I change my mind now again. Because I was going to just make it with a digital kit and find something in there to put on the front of a journal, but then my pages didn't print out right. I was like, well, you know, I really did want to. And Easter is, I think it's I looked at the calendar. If I remember right, it's like the first week in April. Is that right? Anyway, so I don't have, you know, I mean, I know it's only March 1st when you're seeing this video. It's going to be March 1st. And I have plenty of time, you would think. But, you know, if this is a journal I'm going to sell, then I actually need to go ahead and get it done and get in my shop, right? I don't need to wait till the end of March to do this. So I was like, well, let me go ahead. I did want to make a bunny journal. I need to do my design team project. I wanted to use the brown bunny kit. So why not? See how cute that is from the cover. And then I can cut this out. Let me get rid of my little trash here so we can see without a lot of clutter. There we go. Okay, so I can cut this Velveteen Rabbit out here too. And then if I will use that somewhere. And so I will put this in my basket here for use somewhere in the book. And I could even separate it if it's too long. If I think it's too long, I can separate the words Velveteen and Rabbit. But for right now, I'm going to keep it together. You know, I don't know. I might want to put that on the front of the journal. So, and I'll straighten that out later. But there's the title. So these pieces are all trash. So what I'm determining is what I'm going to use as my cover. Like, what am I going to put this on, right? So I don't know if I'm going to use any of these, but I wanted to try because I kind of, last year I made like, I think I made a paper bag journal and a couple of journals like that. More like traveler's notebooks, but I thought, well, what if I could make a book, use a book? And these are all Reader's Digest here, so I wanted to see how this would look on some. I picked out that 3 here that I thought maybe would work. So let's see, like, okay, this is pretty wide, but it would fit on here. And I wanted to I wanted some of the color from the background to show. So I didn't have anything that's really like this exact color or that exact yellow, right? Or even the color of the bunny fur, the brown bunny. So I wanted to just see. These are the only colors that came even close. So I wanted to see maybe with you guys what this would look like with some of these. So see, that doesn't really go. I would say that's a no. So I'm going to put that one over there. That's a no. It's a very beautiful cover. See how pretty that is? That's what I try to pick out if I bring a Reader's Digest home, because I see so many. I just pick out the prettiest ones or the ones I haven't seen before type of thing. So anyway, but that doesn't go. So this one's more kind of a neutral. So this could work. This could work. Look at that. That looks nice. See? And it's not that this would be it. I might put something under here too as another layer. But I just wanted to see if I do let this background show how it would look. And this, I think, would look actually pretty, you know, with this. So this is a definite possibility. And then for some reason, I don't know where this one came from, a plain one. I don't know if somebody gave it to me or what, but look, it's just plain. Of course, so that's very neutral. So that would probably definitely go, but I would have to use some other fabric or something under here because, I mean, it's fine, but I would definitely use another layer under here. But so my point is that is a possibility too. So maybe you can let me know which one. I guess you can't really know until you see what else I'm going to put behind here, but, you know, behind here. But, you know, that is, I would say both of these are definite possibilities. So there we go. I really like that one though, don't you? This is one of the like smaller spine Reader's Digest. And here, in case you didn't see the cover, let's see what it looks like. It has plain in here. So yeah, this brown bunny kit would of course work perfectly with these end papers. Look at that. I could use those end papers, and then the rest, you know, the rest is just text. Except if there's, you know, there's usually a couple pictures in these. But yeah, that's how I just wanted to go over that with you and show you the kit in case you're looking for a bunny kit, which I will link below this video, Tina's shop, and the direct link to that kit. And so yeah, that's where I'm at. I wanted to let you know and go over that, and I hope y'all enjoyed the start. And so I will be working on this journal step by step, and I'll come back and show you, maybe we'll do the cover together, and when I decide what elements I'm using, I'll come back and get it together with you. So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the beginning of a new journal, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting.